Johnny, why never run? Johnny? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pasadelo. Yeah man, you don't know sir, Jamaican man I go play a horror game. I don't know why I play this, but yo.
I couldn't sleep. I was thinking about work the next day. After all the stories I'd heard about that place, about evil creatures, deaths and missing people, I can't stop thinking about how this place really is like. If there is any truth to all those stories.
You want to talk about vagina, I promise you. Vagina! Why am I going to play this game, you ask? Me don't know why I play this game, because me and horror games don't agree, you understand what I say? So, I don't know why I put myself through this for only, you know, for your entertainment, you know what I mean? But seriously though, on a real, last time I played a horror game, I had to line my living room with cushion. When I get scared in these games, my nigga instincts kick in. So something going to get flinked, something going to get punched. So, you know what I mean? Let's do this. Let's do this. I can't guarantee that this is going to be a long video. The first jump scare might be the last jump scare. You understand me I say? Don't judge me for my reactions in this game still, you understand? Like I said, me and scary games. Yo, I don't like this. I don't like this already. I don't like this already. Oh, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I don't know why I do it. Alright, let's go. So I'm just gonna start walking in this direction. I don't even have a flashlight, dog. Oh. You expect me to walk around in this place in the darkness, blood? Oh, one valve is missing. Alright, so there's so. Spare valve is in the administration room. Alright. Flashlight, E to take item. F, there we go. Alright, so I'm good. Run, alright, you know what? Yo, later, what that? Oh, wait, oh, key, alright. The man said runway, so you know what I'm gonna do right now, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, whoa, why can't I sprint? Nah, this is gonna be one of them games. Alright, let me try escape. Locked from the other side. What are the bomb? No. Why you gonna make a game where you can't sprint, especially a horror game? Cause you know say I'm black, and when nigga instincts kick in, we run. You understand what I say? Okay, let's go back this way. I don't like the fact that this bridge can't run, you know. Sure, I twinge in my back, man. Sure. Whew. Them twinges. Yeah. I need to see a doctor about that, really. Is that door lock? Don't let's see you. Well, Bridget, you need to go see your teacher again here. Nobody taking a dump. Hey, what that? Key. Let's make sure I look around the corner too. Whew. I don't like this, blood. Alright, that's a dead end. Is it going to be one of them ones where you turn around and it jump on you? Alright, you know what, I'm not even going. Alright. Yeah. Alright, safe too. Blood, not jump out from me tonight, you know? Tell you that straight. As a matter of fact, you know what? I don't know why I'm sitting here and getting scared over a little game. You know what I mean, blood? Man, I'm a bad man from there, you know? I have to initiate bad man mode, don't? Bad man mode initiated. Get out of here. Alright. I'm not going to go on that side. Bad man mode. I'm not afraid of nothing. The door is stuck. Find door key and screwdriver to unstick it. Alright, open that. Dial the code. Don't look back. Whoa! Alright, you know, and yeah, let's just keep walking in this direction, ladies and gentlemen, because I've been clearly told not to look back. Don't look at it. Why is it behind me? Alright, I'm not going to turn around because I don't want this thing to jump out on me. I'm not in the mood, blood. I'm not in the mood. Alright, so here we're going to do. We're going to walk backwards. We're going to walk backwards because clearly it's behind me if you tell me not to turn around. So I am just going to back up, and that way Alright, so basically what happened is I ran out of memory on my laptop somehow and yeah, just had to go and delete a bunch of stuff. I figured out I needed to come over here back to the first platform, messed around with a few doors and I opened this one, and then the music changed. So you know, generally in a horror film or a horror game, when the music changes, it signifies some shit going to go down. I'm a bit apprehensive about going in this room, but you know, let's proceed with caution. Alright, here we go, I'm going in. Them twinges in my back. Ow. Yeah. Why am I doing this to myself? Oh, there's a valve. Okay. So I have the valve. I have another damn key. And 4213. Remember that. 4213. Let us continue upon our journeys through. Me I go to the generator room right now. Pasadelo. I can't sing for shit, but yo, me no give a damn. Yeah. Alright. Bridget, I don't want to walk in the room and something else jump. Alright. Place item. Spin the valve in the correct order to turn the gen. Alright, so 4, 2, 3, and 1. Yeah? What the blood clot you mean incorrect? Yo. Bridget, alright, you know, let me go back to that room quick time. You run no man, no make you have to creep. Your bumble foot. Alright. Generator 4213. Oh. Here we go again. So 4, 2, 1, 3. And if you tell me that wrong, Virgin, you can go suck your mouth. Alright, there we go. Alright. Whoa. Don't worry. Hey, don't. Oh, what? Shift to run. Nah, blood. So now he could run. That's not good. Alright, I know I was wishing to run. I know I wanted to run. I know I was asking for run. But now you tell me I could run. That means that just means that something bad could happen to me now. I don't want to leave the room. I don't want to leave. Your mother blood clot. Go suck your mother. Virgin, I was pushing run and he didn't run. Why you never run, Johnny? Johnny, why you never run? Johnny? Virgin, you put me. Nah, I ain't doing that again, blood. No. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. This was a very brief video of Pasadelo gameplay. And then want me to try that again? I put myself through that? No, thank you. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, rate, whatever you want to do to the video. And then, yeah, versatile all the way. Boom.